To first timers. Okay. 3, 2, take 3, 2, 1. Woo! What's up, everyone, and welcome to First Timers. You got myself, Hero, here.
You got Alvin.
Alvin.
Your superstars of the show.
Yes. So today we are on our vehicle project series. We have a box here.
A random box from Amazon.
Yes.
That's always good things, but obviously, I'm not gonna say obviously, but next to us, guys.
Lots of parts.
Have a lot of parts, brand new inbox.
Christmas came early.
For the El Camino. So we're, ordering a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna say I put the project on hold, but I wanted to order a lot of stuff, so when we kind of get to it, we're just gonna be like,
hit the
throw
ground
everything.
rolling.
Yeah, so it'll just be everything. But there's always one thing that I always like putting in cars first, and it should never happen, but it happens that way, and that's gonna be a radio, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So now keep in mind, yes, you guys are gonna be like, that's a big box. What's in there?
So what we have here is a 10-inch head unit by Podofo.
Podofo.
You can buy this online on Amazon.
Podofo.
Yeah, Podofo.
I don't know.
As a 10-inch rotatable screen, you can go portrait, landscape.
So what we'll do for you guys is we'll give you a quick unboxing just so you can kind of see what comes in the package. And then we'll start to go over everything that this guy is capable of, as well as the speed. Just because when I was looking at the Amazon site, I was like kind of going through, and you kind of see them like going through everything, and they sped it up really fast, and I was like, that's fast, but hopefully it is going to be that fast. I don't know yet.
Yeah, they sped up the footage.
Yeah, so you see it and it's just like...
We'll see it in real time.
Yeah, so we'll do real time for you guys so you guys can see it. But yeah, let's jump into unboxing really fast. Oh, look at that right on top. Alright guys, so look at all the cables. Everything actually looks pretty well made so far. We just opened it, I know, but overall, looks like everything's labeled nicely, labeled properly. So this should be not too hard to set up. But there you go, backup camera.
Waterproof.
Look at that. Waterproof.
Waterproof, it says.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the GPS.
Night vision. It's got the LEDs.
Ooh, infrared or LEDs.
It looks like LEDs.
This is the GPS here, guys. Looks like it gives you a pretty long cable. So I'll have to figure out where I'm gonna mount some of this stuff. Yeah, let's get to the screen because that's what everybody's here for.
Yep.
So these are the mounts. Boom, you got 2 of them to actually help mount this guy.
How heavy is that?
No, it's actually light.
Yeah? Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, look.
It's gonna be a mini Tesla.
So yeah, no, Hero's like, no, you get your Tesla. It could be either the Model 3 or the Model S.
It's the opposite though.
Yeah. Oh no, you can do it either way.
It's a gross polluter. No,
you can't turn it. Dang, that is like solid. Oh wow, guys, that will not move. So that is
that's pretty cool though.
Yeah, that is pretty awesome. You can kind of see it there. I am very excited here. What do you think of the weight? It's not too heavy.
Yeah, it's not heavy at all. Like I've seen some other head units that were like this, heavier than that.
Yeah, so this will be interesting.
This is cool.
Yeah, let's throw this on the side really fast. Just
GPS.
So yeah, so actually it looks like
it pivots.
Yeah, so it pivots. Yeah. So it pivots different directions that Hero was saying, so it can have it at different angles if you need to. And
like facing the driver, facing the passenger.
In the center, cool. Just in cover off.
Oh,
come on, Hero, fill that
other side. Would be like, no.
Well, maybe we could save it. We could put it back on. We go, oh, it's clingy. Look at that.
Yeah, okay. Might be able to reuse it.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I know it's crazy, guys.
There we go.
Alright guys, so it's turning on. I guess there's no noise here.
I'm expecting like super moto.
Yeah, I know. I guess that'd be weird.
Hello, moto. Android. Android.
That looks so sick though.
So if it's vertical, I wonder if it'll move the picture.
I don't think it'll auto.
No.
I think you have to manually set it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Dope, guys.
So
Let me move this sideways just a little bit.
Let's connect Bluetooth. Ooh, the touch is very nice. Looks like it's that one to look for your phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my phone. Oh no. Gotta get used to this. Oh, it's searching. Okay, so it's searching right now, guys. But I see it.
There it is, red magic.
Oh!
It says in the search.
No,
yeah.
But I don't know. Oh, it's 00. Okay, so I think it was, they said it was 00. Okay, so on the phone, we have to find 000. Hit OK. And boom.
Oh, there it is. Press
So
Bluetooth
connected.
icon on this page, open Bluetooth option on the mobile, and search the device name car Bluetooth. The pin is 0000. 4 zeros. Users can also go to settings to change Bluetooth device tag and pin. Okay. Now, once you're paired, you're good. Go do it.
Oh,
sick.
One speaker going, guys. Okay, let's see. So volume is here.
Trying hard, you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
Pretty clear.
It's super clear.
Yeah, that's not bad.
It's better than what's in your El Camino right now.
If you don't wanna change,
You can see all the trash in the speaker
ain't no
bouncing.
place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you
Last time it said it was
don't I can't.
So far, that was actually very cool. Now the hard part is, how do we know what we're doing? Because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's see. Can we swipe? Is this swiping? No, this is apps, I'm assuming. Okay. Got radio, which we don't have a thing hooked up to. What's it? Avin.
AVN.
I know.
Audio, video, in. It's just missing the L.
No, I know.
Avin. But look, I mean, it
Yeah.
has file manager, calculator. Like, this is practically a phone.
Yeah.
Oh, you swipe
Oh,
up?
the Play Store.
Dang. You can play
Dang.
some,
Are we gonna be playing Call of Duty on here?
you can play some
Dang.
Final Fantasy VII First Soldier.
That is actually pretty dope. So we need connected to the network. Okay, that's fine. So that's actually pretty dope.
Dope. Navi, gotta get GPS connected. It's probably not gonna work.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Okay, let's go in the settings really fast. I tried to scan that. It didn't seem to work too well on my phone. I saw it, but yeah, whatever. I installed it. So here we go. Tima AVN. And then start recording or casting with Tima. Okay, start now. And then screen start. Oh, look at that hero. Dang. I'm sideways. You lagged. Screencast stopped. Oh, why is the screen stop? What? Why are we stopping?
Connection. There you go.
Oh, it just
Disconnected.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try it again. Let me find the app again. So I think we got it this time. Let's see. So let's click here. So I turned on the hotspot this time. And then boom! Look at that. The thing popped up this time. So I just set it so it always does it.
So he had it. He has the little tablet thing here connecting to directly to his phone, not through the Wi-Fi for the tethering.
Yep. Let's see. Marvel Strike Force. Dang. Hold on. Yeah, let's go to YouTube. Skip.
I can help you out. I can help you
Okay. Sorry, guys. You can see there's a slight delay there.
out. I can help you out.
So right now it's laggy Wi-Fi, guys. Just so you guys know, touch screen apparently is only enabled for you connecting via USB cables. Just FYI, on the back here you have 2 USB ports. I know you really can't probably see them on the back, but there are 2 USB ports available. But yeah, anyway, so it looks pretty dope already. But I guess the thing is that it's a little laggy going this direction.
Wirelessly.
Yeah, wirelessly. So actually, should we try it with the cable?
We are now wired in.
Yeah, see if this will work.
Wow, look at that percent. It just jumped like crazy.
But
Oh no, it stopped at 60. Spoke too soon. 65, 85, 100. There you go.
Okay.
That's so much quicker. Boom.
yeah, let's see. Let's go to YouTube.
It's a lot quicker.
Yeah. Dang, what is my search history? Can watch somebody playing Call of Duty. Dang, ads.
See if you can touch the screen now.
Yeah. All right, guys, look at that. Could be watching this. Nope. No touchscreen support. Lied to me. Dang. Okay. It's all right. That is okay, because I mean, this is already dope already, guys.
Yeah.
You don't know how dope this is to be able to just like look at this.
We still got to figure out the rest.
Yeah, I know. It's just it's a lot of learning, you know, considering what we got going. This is,
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that looks pretty dope. Let's see. Oop. Close that. So you can definitely see the color's not perfect. I know it says it's HD and all that. My phone definitely looks better, but that's a crazy screen. I'm not. That's actually really nice. Let's see if we can actually jump out of here. We'll go over to. We'll go back home here. Actually, there's a home button. Cool. And home. Well, oh, I see. You can control that. Allows you to do some light controls here on the on that. Yeah, I got it. So if we unplug, boom, cool. All right, so you have your basic Android items here from file manager, settings, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. You'll be able to, again, do your car settings if you need to. Audio, video in, which is Avin for whatever reason. Avin. So that is hilarious. Looks like you can load up music on here with the little bit of storage that they do offer. Your mic is here, so it doesn't have an external mic. It'll have the mic here, especially with the camera inputs. Like I said, I'm intrigued to kind of see how this is gonna work. What is here we go?
It's probably just
like a maps
apps.
thing.
No, just probably factory apps.
Looks like a map. Oh, how you get around your city. Oh, continue. Apparently, oh, it does traffic.
At least it doesn't have. At least it doesn't have bloatware.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I consider that bloatware. You know, considering the what's it called? Random. Yeah, the
ads.
That thing that we had to download with ads in it. So right now we'll skip this. We won't really showcase my home location for now. But let's see the ads as they're starting to come in. Are we in the right vicinity? Lazy Branch Park. Okay, looks like we are. That's where all the accidents happen over here.
Bell Canyon, West Hills.
Yeah, Valley Circle. Oh, look at that 101, guys. Dang, it actually is pretty smooth. It's not perfectly smooth. Keep in mind, you probably have a better time with
Waze or maps.
Yeah, so the cool thing is then if you're attaching your phone to it, you should be able to actually have Waze and maps populated and searching around. So that is dope, guys. The feel is not bad once you kind of get used to the way everything reacts. It has a very good feel. Again, I'm not going to say it's the most user-friendly. The instructions really do suck in that sense.
Yeah.
They could have done a little better. We've installed radios before, so we kind of know which wires go to what.
Yeah.
But like the first thing Hero was reading is like key 1 is power, and I'm like, that doesn't make any sense.
No.
what is that powering? And so, like I said, it's random when you go through the instructions.
But we like to figure stuff out on our own anyway, so it's okay. But for anyone that doesn't know, it's a little more complicated.
Yeah, I mean, it seems it'll be easier than Hero's G35. We'll put that up in the upper right-hand corner. But it is just one of those things that I was, again, it's going to the El Camino project car, something that will be fun. It's not going to be a, I don't want to say a full-on daily driver, but being able to get in the car, have a screen, have maps on there, being able to connect my phone, having a backup camera, even though I don't really need it, but if I do have stuff in the bed and I can't see behind me, boom, backup camera.
Useful feature.
Yeah, so it's
easy
there
to wire up.
Yeah, so I'm excited. Bluetooth connected, fairly easy. As you saw in the video, wireless wasn't too bad as well. So you just clicked on it and then started connecting, and it was just like boom, it's there. So you do have, it looks like a reset button down below if you need to pretty much do a reset.
Default
yeah,
settings.
So if something freezes, I guess, or something like that, and it doesn't get out of it. But again, the major downside would be the wireless for Android was a little slow. So I would definitely say just plug it in with a actual USB cable.
Yeah.
The other thing, as well as the storage, like I was saying, that's going to be a bad, 16 gig, 16.
Yeah. Not, and that's internal storage,
yeah,
and
so
no
SD card that I see.
Yeah,
so that'll be
external.
Like, But yeah, no, I'm fully excited to throw it in. At some point, I will put a link up in the upper right-hand corner of us putting in the El Camino. But right now we're just not there yet because I'm just still trying to figure out how I'm going to put it in there. I know a lot of guys are going to get upset at me and be like, "You're putting that in a 70 El Camino? What is wrong with you?" And again, for me, the location on a 70 El Camino is so low behind the steering wheel that it's kind of pointless of where they put the radio. And if I have to look down and change the station, it's a little bit of a pain. So I'd rather it be up higher, and I'm starting to give away too much information, but where I want to put it, it's going to look dope. Trust me. We'll show you guys. But overall, it should do what it needs to do. I do plan to put an amp in there, so I probably won't be using the dedicated speaker cables. We'll be running off of RCAs.
Yeah.
So, backup camera and, USB cable. So that's
all you need.
Yeah, it's gonna be dope. And if you guys are wondering how we're doing this, we have the battery sitting next to it. The yellow and the red are connected to each other, connected to the power, or the positive side. And then the negative is the black cable,
wire, yep.
And that's connected to the negative side of the
battery.
But again, something that I do not recommend that you do, because just in case if something happens and you mess it up, I don't want to be responsible, so don't do it. But you can do it, but don't do it. So yeah. Anyway, guys, super awesome, super dope. I like it. Hero is still iffy on it until it goes in the car.
Yeah.
But it's gonna. I was thinking the new name for the El Camino is gonna be El Tesla. So obviously not as big as a Tesla screen, but it will be pretty big for.
I like
the size
that.
of it.
I like that name.
Yeah, it would be the El Tesla.
Anyways, guys,
Yeah,
hopefully
so-
you guys like this episode, and if you
Yeah.
guys are interested in this head unit, the link will be down below.
Always in the description.
And make sure to hit that like, guys.
Smash that like, and if you guys want to, have any other questions and want to hear more about it, let us know. Yeah, and we'll get back to you, and we'll maybe do a video on it when it's in the car. So yeah, let us know.
We're going to.
Yeah, we'll do the video of it being done. Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. So anyway, guys.
All right.
Well,
Peace out.
Woo!
Thanks for watching.
Laters.